go. On the way to Big High Country. It's like 3:45 in the morning. Just leaving my estate, all packed up. Drag race between the boys. Onto the MT. Oh, here we go. It's off. Oh, Caleb's up it. Oh, chopped by Still driving, 4 hours in, talking crap on the radio, but bloody nearly at Yass. So, go refill up at Yass and then just keep heading on it. We're going to get straight to Mansfield and just get in there, so not much longer. 4 hours to go. It's 12 o'clock. It's taking us 8 hours to get here at Mansfield. Going to be getting some fuel, our last fuel for the stop before we head in, and then we'll head off in. Probably going to go Craig's Hut first by the looks of it, because it's closest, and then we'll start working our way through. So just about to go into the High Country. One thing that is mandatory whenever you go to the High Country is you got to have a hat for it. If you don't have an Akubra, are you even in the High Country? I don't know. Got my hat ready, truck's ready, let's do this. So we're just going to air down before we hit the dirt tracks, make it a bit nicer. Then we'll be up there, finally.
Hey buddy.
Well, it's custom, see? See the air filter off from Moto days? And you just work it down. It's pre-filter. Welcome to the High Country. We're here now. It's a bit warm, isn't it?
The sun's just hot. Close to the sun up here, so.
Close to the sun, is that what you reckon?
Close to the sun. It's hotter because you're higher up.
God, you're full of knowledge. How'd you work your beer out, actually? Last time you told us about your beer economy. How'd you work it out this time?
Yeah, it was a bit rough.
Yeah.
So rough estimate.
Yep.
So beer economy this time, we based it off less day drinking because we're going to do more kilometres.
Okay.
Well, we're probably going to do the same kilometres, but we worked it out based on 10 a day, plus, so 10 a day, 3 days.
Yep.
Plus reserves, 6-pack extra.
Yep.
36 cans.
All right, yeah, that's good. Well, let's see how you go. Let's see how he works it out, and if he worked it out right.
Well, it's quite a bit less than
Wait
last
to the end. Yeah, it is a lot less than last time, actually. I was going to comment that you're on a bit of a diet now, aren't you?
Not
Cutting
really.
back. Cutting back.
Some regrets.
What'd you bring, Cal?
2 cases.
Wow. That's a real man.
And what did you bring? 6-pack.
I brought a 6-pack, yeah. You don't want it. 3 drink, Amy. You don't want me too bad.
6-pack a lot.
Yeah. Pick up here. Inside. There's that. Sign the book. Say your beanie. So we're just leaving Craig's Hut. I'm going to swing a right just out of here onto Monument Track. Cool little tracks, still not overly difficult. A couple of spots we put in low range just to help the car roll down. Then we turned onto Bindiri Track, which has Bindiri Falls. Falls you got to walk up to, and we saw them last time, so we bypassed them this time, but they're definitely worth a look if you've never seen them. Then we joined onto a track called 16 Mile Jeep Track, which we really enjoy because we found last time this awesome little swimming hole. You just pull up on the track off the side and
Yeah, it's the best.
So last time we were here, we discovered this mint swimming hole. We're still easy 1,000 meters up. We found this mad little spot. Still good?
Still good.
Still mint. Look at that.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
So what we're doing, when in our younger years, a year ago, we jumped off, well, I flipped off that. But now, because I have a son, I'm like really sensible, and now I check the bottom.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be.
She's pretty big, not going too close. So we currently have an issue. We just have a load of wild dogs howling. I'm keen right now. We're all on dog watch.
I'm still drinking beer.
Literally. Shit, what a track that was. That's definitely one of the steepest tracks I think I've ever done. Other than that Barrels 3, which we knew was, we had to winch, it was ridiculous. That, for the high country, unbelievable. That's double all of that Billy Goat Bluff is.
Easy. It's funny, I always say there's no four-wheel driving in the high country, but that was pretty hard.
Yeah.